Flipping Exes. Holiday home makeover with Mr. Christmas. Dream home makeover. Premiere 2020. Flip or flop Fort Worth. Mystic Sisters. Sell this house. How clean is your house? Good Bones. Premiered 2016. Love it or list it Vancouver. Amazing interiors. Frozen in Time. Premiered 2021. Masters of Flip. Premiered 2015. Renovation Nation. While You Were Out. Premiered 2002. Man Caves. Premiered 2007. Log Cabin. Love Your Garden. Love Your Garden. Restored by the Fours. Property Brothers Forever Home. Premiered 2019. Desert Flippers. The Vanilla Ice Project. Premiered 2010. Flip or Flop. House Crashers. Premiered 2009. Desperate Landscapes. Trading Spaces. Premiered 2004. 315 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years. 161 of 417. The best reality TV shows ever. 266 of 538 TV shows canceled before their time. Design on a Dime. Premiered 2003. Grand Holmes. Or 17 of 514 the best Channel 4 TV shows. 3 of 12 the best shows like Fixer Upper on Netflix. Divine Design. DIY Sauce. DIY Sauce. Hometown. Curb Appeal. Yard Preppers. Premiered 2008. Love It or List It. Love It or List It. Hometime. Hometime. Rehab Addict. Property Brothers. Property Brothers. Holmes on Holmes. Premiered 2001. Old House. Premiered 2002. Fixer Upper. Premiered 2013. This Old House. Premiered 1979.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.